know that this is a very significant event in the history of the world, wherein the tide turned ng gera para in favor ng kadaugan ng US kaapil na Pilipinas. And also sa budget, nakita nato ang report there. Okay mo siguro ang report? Okay ba ang report, Jeff? But then again, we will be making improvements sa utilization. So last week we had the presentation ng ato document tracking system. Na-present ba? Okay ba? Dili pa. But what I'm saying is, sa next nato na budget year, or kung nahabol nato kuman na last quarter, we will be using the document tracking system na. Daon tanan ato mga papeles will be logged on na, and we will follow the prescription period, wherein kunhayan ato mga dokumento, makita na nato kunhai na opisina si Jacuman, especially on clients outside Surigao City, especially dyan sa office of the building official na dyan perpetual na problema na permi na mulaw na dugi ang papel, kunhaira ka ng papel, tagtago ang papel. It will now be tracked through the document tracking system. This will also enable the budget office to seek to have higher utilization rate and faster sa ato procurement and even sa disbursement, especially sa disbursement ng ato funds. So we will be doing more habulo nato sa end of the year, which we will target and improvements sa ato system. Isa sa sa BPL, Business Processes and Licensing Office, wherein we will target before end of the year, we will be able to accommodate online payments already. Para sa ato January na one-stop shop, dapat online payment and online filing na kita ang pagkarid diri sa ato less rakan ang transactions nato. So that is our targets for the rest of the year. Actually for the rest of the term, and hopefully not only an ato improvements sa Surigao City is physical and nato infrastructure, but also we will be embracing the digital age. And so again, thank you very much, and have a good week to everyone. Maradzaw, Karadzaw, Surigao.